How to earn on Whop for beginners. By 2025, Whop is a customizable platform that allows individuals to monetize their online presence, digital skills, and content. Whop offers several methods to generate money, whether you're a content producer, marketer, or side hustler. This detailed guide will help Whop beginners generate money. Comprehending Whop. What if you didn't even need to create your own website to make a living from your digital abilities or content? Whop is an internet marketplace that links affiliates, customers, and producers. Users may give services, sell digital goods, and market other people's goods in exchange for a commission. The platform facilitates a number of revenue-generating strategies, such as affiliate marketing, product sales, and content production. Clipping, make money with brief content. The fastest method of earning money on Whop is clipping. This entails turning larger content, like podcasts or live streams, into short, interesting movies that can be shared on websites like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. Clippers are paid according on how well their clips do, and creators choose a reward amount, e.g., $1 per 1,000 views. Because it uses pre-existing material and needs little commitment, this approach is especially appropriate for novices. Promote and make money with affiliate marketing. Do you want to make money online without producing any goods? What if I told you that sharing a link alone may make it happen? Users may promote items featured on Whop and get a commission for each sale made via their referral link by participating in the affiliate program. Go into your Whop account to sign up as an affiliate. Go to the product page that you want to advertise. Click Add to my affiliate's dashboard after scrolling to the bottom. You may distribute your special affiliate link on several platforms when it has been added. You get a commission each time a purchase is made using your link. Digital product sales. Do you possess information that someone else would be willing to pay for? What if you could start earning money right now by converting that information into an ebook or course? Think about developing and marketing digital goods on Whop if you are a specialist in a certain field. These may consist of guides or ebooks. Talk about your expertise in areas like fitness, personal finance, and digital marketing. Online courses. Create courses or video lessons on topics you are an expert in. Tools and templates. Provide resources like as productivity tools, design files, or Notion templates. To open your shop, sign up as a vendor by going to set prices, upload your goods, and personalize your shop. You can easily control access and distribute material using Whop's integrations with Telegram and Discord. Content rewards. Earn money producing advertising content. By creating promotional material for businesses, producers may be paid via Whop's Material Rewards program. The creators establish a reward rate, e.g. $1 per 1,000 views, and a budget, e.g. $5,000. After that, clippers produce short video that advertise the brand's content. The brand ensures cost-effectiveness by only paying for real views. This technique increases brand presence across channels by using user-generated content. Establishing a community of members. Imagine receiving a monthly payment from your own online community in exchange for access to your unique expertise and material. Whop gives you the ability to create a membership-based platform if you're interested in starting a community. You may provide unique stuff like Telegram or private Discord groups, give participants direct access to you and other local residents. Organize live sessions on subjects of interest via exclusive webinars or Q&A sessions. Premium content. Distribute in-depth documents, video, or other materials. To get things started, on Whop, create your membership offer. Establish your price tiers, quarterly, monthly, etc. Connect with messaging apps such as Discord to facilitate smooth member interaction. Promotion that works is essential. To draw in and keep members, make use of email marketing, social media, and SEO techniques. Whop success advice. The key is consistency. Engage with your audience and refresh your material often. Use analytics. Keep an eye on performance indicators to see what functions well and adjust your optimization appropriately. Engage the community. To increase your reach, take part in forums, conversations, and joint ventures. Adjust and change. To be competitive, keep up with platform upgrades and market developments. In conclusion, there are several ways for novices to make money online using Whop. Whether it's affiliate marketing, digital product sales, content clipping, or creating a membership community, the platform offers the information and tools required for success. Like, share, and subscribe for more.